Hey guys! Welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome to our 16th episode of my reaction video for the series Chasing in the Wild. Ang haba nung intro ko. Pero ito na nga mga mi! 16th episode na tayo. So we're down to last 3 episodes since nadagdagan siya ng isa. So naging 19 episode na siya. Pero malay natin, dagdagan pa ni Viva. Magkaroon pa ng mga special episode. Well, let's hope and pray. And sa mga nakasama sa EK last November 27, I hope you had fun. Sobrang naiinggit ako kasi, ayun na may chance ako na sa Pilipinas ako. What if yung mga co-members namin na nasa ibang bansa na hindi nakasama? Pero ayun nga, I hope you had fun with the Thanksgiving event ng Chasing the Wild cast. And also nandun din yung Amotyanan Section E cast. Ang dami kong sinasabi, but ayun nga, mga recap lang. And nakita niyo na ba yung trailer for this episode, yung 16th episode? So nandito na yung sabi ko dun sa mga previous vlog ko na ito yung parang sasaktan tayo with the present. Kasi nga, ang gulo-gulo kasi ni Amora. Diyos ko, masyado siyang nagda-doubt kung mahal pa ba siya ni Sevi or what. Ito kasi yung napapala ng hindi nagtatanong. Pwede mo namang i-confront yung tao. But anyways, ang dami ko talaga sinasabi. I'm so excited for episode 16 kasi ito na nga, ano ba, magiging happy ending ba ang ating Chasing in the Wild ending. Pero, ayun, mag-start na tayo in 3, 2, 1.
Gusto ko lang malaman bakit natulog akong walang shirt kagabi. What? Ni boxers or brief, wala man lang ako suot, shorts lang. Hindi ko makit yung birdie ko.
Ewan ko sa'yo, ikaw ang nagbihi sa sarili mo, stupid. Don't worry, I didn't look at your crotch.
Wait.
How do you not remember anything? I thought you were not drunk, huh?
Hindi nga ako lasing. Medyo lang.
Ano ba pinaglalaban mo? You know, I did you a favor by helping you clean up.
Eh, nag-enjoy ka yatang makita yung big bird ko.
FYI, baby bird.
Pwede. Taon-ta ba yan, Kate?
Ayaw ni Big Bird sa mga sinungaling. Angry bird na siya ngayon.
I missed this annoying Sevi. Oh, you're crazy.
Pero, seryoso, salamat kagabi ha. Hindi ka dumating, baka sa hallway na ako nakatulog.
Dito ka ba matutulog tonight?
Oo.
Wala lang. Pinikilig ako.
Any feedback sa mga EVs na sinend lang sa'yo yesterday upon the project?
Yes, tulala siya. Oh.
I miss you. I miss us.
Hala.
Ma'am? Okay lang pa kaya? Huh? Why? Natulala mo kasi kayo eh. Oh. I'm just excited to go home.
Sana all may inuwian.
Hindi pala ako makakauwi ng kondo. Tampak trabaho dito sa site.
Okay.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Ellie!
Sweet.
Oh my gosh!
You
I
remembered.
thought you're not going home.
Surprise nga, di ba?
I'm so surprised.
Uy, wawala na yung sindi ng kanila. Ano na?
I fucking hate you.
Ito yung sinasabi ko na sasaktan tayo. Kasi lalayo si Ailey. Ano naman?
No. I appreciate it. It's expect you to remember my birthday.
Bakit naman hindi?
Well, I did. Happy 5th anniversary, Sabi.
Umalis ka na, Elise.
You won't ask where I'm going?
Hindi. Baka hanapin pa kita. Ayaw na kitang hanapin, Elise. Ayaw na kitang makita.
Nakakainis naman.
I'm really, really sorry for everything that's happened. And for everything that my family did to you.
Hanggang ngayon, dinadala mo pa pala yan. Ganun umiyak.
Kasi si Sebi.
Birthday mo ngayon. Dapat masaya ka. Happy birthday, Ellie. Sige na.
The fact na hindi na kinalimutan ni Sebi kahit never siya nagalit kay Elise. Tandaan niyo, walang magandang naidudulot yung pag-walk away. Walang magandang naidudulot yun. Ayun, umalis na naman siya.
Make a wish! Happy birthday!
Ito na yung iniintay natin, yung bardagulan ni Austin tsaka ni
I'm so surprised.
Ida.
I really need you right now. My birthday surprise siya para sa akin kagabi. He got me a cake. And then he celebrated it with me. But then I got scared for him.
What if saktan na naman niya?
Scared that... I don't know. I was scared that it might hurt him again. I felt scared that I would just cause pain to his family if I'm around them again. I know how much I love Sammy. But maybe I'm just not good for him. You know? I understand, Ellie.
Huwag ganun, Ellie.
Pero, understand lang na walang
Mahal ka ni Sebi.
Ngayon, mukha ka ng matandang pinagsakluban ng langit at lupa. Oh, ano naman ba nangyari? Ayun.
Sobrang lucky ni Sebi kasi kung wala si
Nakala ko ba okay
kung
na
wala
kayo,
si Luna, nandito naman si Arkin or kahit sino sa Univercada.
Pero ayun, biglang umalis. Ha?
Malis na naman.
Bakit daw? Nakausap mo ba? Hindi. Bigla na lang nag-iwan ng note. Nakita ko sa condo kanina pag-uwi. Hindi man ako kinausap ng harapan. Masaya na namin eh. Tapos, ganito na naman.
Ay,
Ano daw ba yung rason? Hindi ko alam. Pero, binabalikan na naman niya yung issue dati. Ito na nga ako eh. Naayos ko na nga eh. Sinubukan mo bang kausapin? Paano ko makakausapin kung umalis nga?
ba't kasi umaalis na walang paalam?
You're right. Pag-iisipan ko. But for now, I left the condo and I'm staying at the hotel.
Stay ka muna sa akin. You don't have to go through this alone. Huwag ka na malungkot. I have a surprise for you.
Ay, kuya niya pala yun.
Birthday, Ellie.
Kuya, hero!
Hi. Happy birthday.
Akala ko si ano.
I'm really glad that you guys are here. What?
Siyempre. Oh, a gift. Kamiyari na eh.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Tell Yana I say thank you as
Oh,
well.
sure. Oh, wait. I'll call her in a minute.
Asa ba kasi yung cellphone mo?
Wow, he seems really happy and content right now.
He is. He finally found his eternal love and happiness. It's because he fought for it. Love is not for cowards.
Makinig ka sa kuya mo.
Alam mo, tol, ito prangkahan lang, ha? Hindi ito yung tamang panahon para pairalin yung pride mo. Okay? Oo, gets ko na nasaktan ka sa ginawa ni dati. Pero kulang talaga kayong dalawa sa maayos na usap. Alam ko, gusto mo na mag-focus sa kung anong meron kayo ngayon. Pero sa tingin ko, marami pa kayong bubog na dapat i-address tungkol sa nangyari sa inyo dati.
True.
Lalo na,
Wala kasi silang usap na nangyari doon.
I know you moved back with Sevi in your condo.
Lagot.
Actually, I just moved back out.
What? Why?
Kasi...
I don't know. I just think that it's so foolish of me to think that I can just go back there and things would be how the way it was after everything that's happened.
I can tell that you're still burdened by our family's past. But none of that was your fault, Ellie.
Buhay pa si Sean dito.
I don't know. It's just a lot to think about, Kuya. God, especially after everything that happened with Dad.
Elise, please listen to me. You can't keep carrying that burden. It's weighing you down. You need to let it go. It's time. Elise,
Bago pa mahuli ang
you should
lahat.
set yourself free from that guilt.
And that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you.
Good job. The table is now open for any questions.
Well, I don't have anything. The presentation was as clear as it is.
Are you sure, Miss Ledesma?
Ito na.
You don't want to clarify anything?
No. Just continue on with what you're doing so we can finish this project on time. Thank you, everyone. That will be all. Meeting adjourned.
You can leave first, Miss Ledesma.
Thanks.
Katalito ka naman magaling.
Oh my God. Grabe yung hugot ni Sevi. Ano ba?
Kaya nga, kailangan nyo ng i-rush yan. Kailangan pa deliver next week. Para matapos na.
Engineer Camero.
Baka naman daw ulit.
Sabi,
Ano na naman ba yun, Elise? Bakit nandito ka?
I just want to talk.
Para saan ba yung pag-uusapan natin?
I'm sorry.
Alam mo, ang hilig mong umalis. Tapos babalik,
Aalis.
tapos aalis ulit. Babalik na naman. Ang inaano ba talagang gusto mo, Elise?
Well, you didn't want me there in the first place.
Ha?
The unit is all yours now. I did you a favor, right? I left to give you space.
Ngayon pa? Pagkatapos mo akong sanayin na nandiyan ka, aalis ka ulit.
What do you want me to do? Hindi ba masakit nung nandun ako?
Mas masakit.
Kung wala ako.
Mas masakit yung pag-iwan mo sa akin. Kesa sa pananatili mo, Elise. Wala nang sasakit na doon. Umalis ka. Hinanap kita ulit. Pinalak kitang sundan. Kahit sinabi ko sa'yo na ayaw na kitang makita. Pero tangina, sarili ko. 5 taon, Elise. Ano? Kalimutan.
I don't know, Sam. I never tried.
Talaga? Pero bakit ang dali lang sa'yo? Nung makita mo ko, ang dali lang sa'yong umiti na parang wala lang. Tapos mo akong iwan, Elise. Gusto mo ba akong tulungan?
It was never easy for me, Sabi. I needed to leave because I needed time for myself. And I needed to save myself too. Sabi, I lost everyone. I lost my family. I lost my support system. I felt like I didn't have anyone at the time.
Anong tawag?
Naiintindihan ko naman yun, Elise. Pero yung hindi ko maintindihan. Pagkatapos mong bumalik, aalis ko. Gusto ko sinasabi.
Sabi, no, I'm so sorry. Sabi, I'm really sorry. You know, I realized a lot of things. I felt really guilty and selfish for wanting us to get back together. I was a coward. And I was scared. But aren't you scared for us? What if we get hurt again?
Mas kaya kong tiisin yung sakit pag nandiyan ka, Elise.
Kasi ikaw yung pahinga ko.
Walang araw na hindi ko pinagsisisihan yun.
Thank you. I haven't seen my dad for years since I left. But I don't think I'll ever be able to face him again, especially after knowing what he did.
Hindi ganito yung nasagot. Parang si Sevi yung nag-initiate nun.
It's too triggering for me to see him. You know, after that tragic incident happened, I had to go to therapy.
Sorry, Elise.
Huwag kang mag-sorry, Sevi. Hindi mo kasalanan. You know, if anything, the only person to blame right now is my dad.
Pero nung una, ayaw niyang sasabihin.
Nakita ko, nasa ospital siya ngayon.
Yeah, that's the last news I heard about them.
Hindi mo ba siya dadalawin?
Ito yun.
Ano kung biglaan siya mawala?
Sevi, please don't. I don't want to deal with that matter right now. You know, you should hate him. He ruined everything. I mean, good thing your mom got justice.
Pagod na ako magtanim ng galit, Elise.
The Sevi, I know.
You're so selfless and kind-hearted, Sevi. Until now, I still can't believe you fell for me. Do I deserve you?
Tumila na pala yung ulan.
You're staying here, right?
Hindi. Uuwi ako ngayon. Ikaw ba?
Hala, parang nilalagnat yata ako.
Parang kailangan ko may mag-alaga sa akin. Sana makaramdam yung palagi kong inaalagaan pag may lagnat at lasing.
Fine. Hindi mo na kailangan magparinig.
Yun, nakaramdam rin.
Uwi na ako sa'yo.
Welcome home!
Fairness. Ikaw ang lupit.
Ako pa talaga ah. Hindi ko nga yung makalat dyan eh. Hindi mo nga nilitlit yung kwarto nung umalis ka tapos nakatulog kayo pinagaling.
Oh, alis ka ba?
Oo eh. Hindi lang ako pumunta sa Tagaytay. Project kami nun ni Luna.
Ah. Kararating ko lang, tapos alis ka na agad? Am I not important to you?
Ano kasi, syempre importante ka naman, pero...
I'm just kidding. Pero inan ka sa work.
Promise, uuwi ako ng maaga bukas. Hindi ako mapipigilan ni Luna.
Oh, sige na, you should go na. Baka ma-traffic.
Hindi ako makatingin kasi may tao.
Ida! I'm in such a good mood today, and I think sayang naman if I just stay at home. Do you want to go to a club?
Sarah here! Hi!
Hi! Oh! By the way, Ida, yung best friend ko, si Sam, siya yung owner ng club.
Yeah, of course. I know Miss Samantha Vera. Oh, girls, let's go sa dance floor. My DJ friend is about to play us some songs right now. Let's go! Let's go!
Sevi.
Ay, gumismo.
Sevi. Sevi.
Anak nun! Hindi ka na ako nakilit sa puso, Eri. Paano ka nakauwi?
I want to change my clothes.
Uy, huwag dito. Doon ka sa banyo. Magpalit.
Anyway,
Ikaw ako na naglalabas.
no. It's not like you haven't seen me naked before. You know, I really miss your hands on my clothes.
Eri, stop.
You know what? I haven't had sex in like 4 years. Am I dying?
Hey guys, and that's the end of my reaction video for episode 16 of Chasing in the Wild. And grabe guys, nakita niyo ba yung teaser ng episode 17? Mukhang may mama chip-chip na naman tayo. And oo, ganito kataas yung energy ko. Kasi sabi ko nga, 'di ba, dun sa mga previous vlog ko, kung napanood nyo or tinutukan yung series na to, lagi kong sinasabi na, syempre, pagka masaya sila, may malungkot. Eh, di ba nagiging okay na si Sevi and Elise? Tapos biglang, nung birthday niya, biglang umalis si ate girl. So, runaway na naman siya. And, ayan, thankfully, naging okay na sila. And, yun nga lang, hindi pa nila sinasabi yung I love yous. Pero, ayan, papasok na yung conflict for episode 17. Kaya sabi ko, di ba masaya sila ngayon? Okay na sila. Parang nagkaroon na sila ng reconciliation kung ano yung nangyari nung past. And, okay sila na. Tapos, sa episode 17, nakita niyo na yan. Yung parang, yung conflict, which is, yung relationship ni Elise. Kung akala ko ba wala ka tong jowa, ganyan-ganyan. O bakit hindi na lang kayo? Sabi kay Austin, di ba, nung mga shareholder or board member ba yun ng company nila. But anyways, ayoko na kayong i-spoil kasi kung kayo ay viewer lang ng Chasing in the Wild, I'm sure hindi nyo masyadong alam yung kasunod. Lalo na kung hindi pa naman talaga kayo hindi nyo pa nababasa yung book. Well, sa mga nakabasa, alam nyo na kung ano yung mangyayari. But anyways, ayun, anyways, that's the end of my video for episode 16. And I hope you watch on my last 3 episode of my reaction video with Chasing in the Wild. And, oo guys, nagre-react din ako sa How to Spot a Red Flag. Tamang segue lang dito sa vlog na to. So, I hope i-support nyo din yon kasi Don Bell is my first love team na sinuport. And second sila. Second lang sila. Ay, charot. Second sila. And they'll always be in my heart. So, sa mga nagtatanong sa ito pinapanood sa Vivo One, Diyos ko, paulit-ulit tayo. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!